The ambassador is cited in contempt. I'm sorry.
Aware that procedural and admin matters do not form part of customary law. Surely, the Secretary is well aware that procedural and administrative matters will still have to comply with the laws of the land.
Of course, Madam, this goes without saying.
Of the Philippine government, if you weren't representing the government and you were representing Interpol.
Medyo mataas na ho kasi yung ano noon pagod na din kami. Tapos ang request ng ICC staff that time nagre-request sila na kunin na ng medical team. Hindi ho kasi ma-perform yung medical assistance to the former president Yun ho yung dahilan yan.
Ang dahilan, pagod kayo?
Hindi po, nagkakagulo na din ho nun. Mataas na din po yung sitwasyon.
Pakisabi ng totoo.
Opo.
We're all under oath.
Yes, ma'am. Ang mataas
Paliwanag mong maigi. Representative ka ba ng Pilipinas or representative ng Interpol? Pipili ka lang.
Represent ko po ang Interpol NCB Manila.
So mali itong papel na to. Sabihin mo sa akin.
Yun hong...
Kasi nag-iiba. Isa sinungaling, isa totoo.
Yun ang clear ho sa ICC.
Pwede ko linawin lang.
Siguro hayaan muna natin. Hayaan natin na ipaliwanag. Alam naman niya.
Find your answers very Ambassador Lacanilaw, I find your answers very misleading Kanina pa yung sinasabi mo na hindi mo alam na hindi pala siya dinala sa competent court, competent judicial authority. Hindi mo alam. Hanggang ngayon, hindi mo pa rin alam. I'm giving you a chance.
Opo, ano po yung, Mr. Senator, ano po yung nabanggit ko kanina? Yun po.
Nandoon ka the whole time, galing sa tube hanggang doon sa Villamor. Nandoon ka. Hindi mo rin alam. Hindi mo pa rin alam na hindi siya dinala sa judicial authority.
Yes, Mr. Senator.
Hindi mo alam.
Yes, Mr. Senator.
So you're lying. You're lying. Madam Chair, I move to set in contempt Ambassador Lacanilaw.
Last chance, hindi mo alam if nilabas sa Villamor si PRRD? Hindi mo alam?
Hindi po, Madam Chair.
Okay, there's a motion to cite you in contempt. I have to affirm. There being no contrary motion, we uphold the motion to cite Ambassador Marcos Lacanilaw in contempt.
Thank you, Madam Chair. I'm giving you the chance already kanina. Sabi ko nga.